Assalamu alaikum. I am Amiyo Bhattacharjee. I will take higher mathematics first paper of class 11. My dear students, I hope you all will cooperate. Thank you very much. Okay, suppose you have 9 points. You have 9 points here. And here you have 5 points. How many ways are there to find the points of intersection? That means like this. Suppose this, okay, this type, we have got a point of intersection in this way. Okay, how many ways are there to determine the points of intersection? Can you tell me? How many ways are there to determine the points of intersection? Okay, let me know. Can you tell me? How many ways? None of you. Actually, you see, we have 1 point here, we have 1 point here. But if we join, we don't get any point of intersection. We are taking a point here. We also don't have any point of intersection. But if we take a point here, that means it takes 2 points. Okay, at least 2 points to have a point of intersection. Have you seen? This is the point of intersection of 2 straight lines. If I take it, then you see we have got 1 point of intersection. That means here 2C2, here also 2C2. So 2C2 into 2C2 is equal to 1 into 1, that is 1. Have you seen? But if I take another point here, then what you get? You see, this, then actually we have got 3 points of intersection. That means this one, okay? We have got 3 points of intersection. How does it come? It is here 3C2 and here it is 2C2. Now if we multiply 3C2 equals to 3 and this is 1. It is 3 and it is 1. So we have 3 into 1, that is 3 points of intersection. So what will be the solution? Solution is that here it is 9 points. There are 9 points in this line, on this line. And there are 5 points on this line. So total number of points of intersections are 9C2 into 5C2. 9C2 into 5C2. 9C2 into 5C2 equals to answer. I think you have got it. I showed you how does it come, right? 9C2 and here 5C2. Okay, that's done. Suppose it is your birthday today, and your father has given you 12 different chocolates. Okay? And you have 4 friends. You want to divide all those 12 chocolates among your 4 friends equally. Division. Okay? That means 12 chocolates and you have 4 friends. How many ways are there that you can equally divide all those 12 chocolates among your 4 friends? What is the answer? How many ways are there by which you can divide all those 12 different chocolates among your 4 friends? Okay, you see, can you answer me? Who can answer me? I am not getting answer from you. Perhaps you don't know. Anyway, you may not know. It is not that everybody must know. Even after that, you see 12 chocolates, right? There are 12 chocolates. Very good. That means, you see, please pay attention. 4 friends, so all will get 3 chocolates, right? Equally, as I told, that it is to be divided equally. At first, this is 12. This is 12. C, 4. Suppose your one of the friends is A. A has got 12 C4 chocolates. Now, how many chocolates are left? I'm sorry, 3. 3 chocolates, because you have 4 friends. They will get 3 chocolates. Okay? Then your friend B, how many are left? Can you tell me? How many chocolates are left? There are 9 chocolates are left. 9C3. Suppose your friend now C, 6C3. They are your friends, okay? A is a friend, B is a friend, C is a friend. Now the last one will get 3C3. Okay? You can give your friend A in 12C3 ways. You can give chocolates to your friend A in 12C3 ways. Okay? Now you will be left with 9 chocolates. Okay, 9 chocolates. Out of 9 chocolates, you have to give 3 chocolates. Out of 9 chocolates, you have to give 3 chocolates. That can be given in 9C3 ways. Here you are left with then another 6 chocolates. Out of 6 chocolates, you have to give 3 chocolates to C, and it has 6C3 ways. Then you are left with only 3 chocolates. Okay? And D will get these 3 chocolates in 3C3 ways. Okay? That is one way. It is your answer. But you see something else. As I told you too many times, that what is NCR? What is NCR? That is n factorial by r factorial n minus r factorial. Okay, so we can calculate like this. Let's see, 12 factorial by, this is 3 factorial, 12 minus 3 equals to 9 factorial. Have you seen? Have you seen? Into, this is 9 factorial, this is 3 factorial, 9 minus 3, that is 6 factorial. That is, it is 6 factorial, it is 3 factorial, 6 minus 3 equals to 3 factorial. It is 3 factorial, it is 3 factorial, 3 minus 3 equals to 0 factorial. I have used the formula of combination. NCR equals to n factorial by r factorial into n minus r factorial. Now you see, this 9 and this 9 will be omitted. This 6 and this 6 will be omitted. This 3 and this 3 will be omitted. So we are left with 12 factorial by 3 factorial, 3 factorial, 3 factorial, 3 factorial. It is 0 factorial means 1. That means 3 factorial whole to the power 4. This is the formula. If we indicate it like this, n factorial by number of chocolates they are getting 3. So we can write number of chocolates R, and your friends, number of friends is P. This is the formula. This is the totally, wholly and fully a new formula. That means 12 chocolates, that is n, 12 chocolates, that is n factorial, and every friend will get 3 chocolates, that is r equals to 3, and number of friends is p. This is the power. Number of friends will be power. I think you will get it. Number of friends will be power. Okay, let's see another example. A pack of cards. A pack of cards. How many cards are there in a pack? There are 52 cards. How many? 52 cards. Suppose they don't know how to play cards, and those 4 friends have decided to take equal cards. How many ways are there to distribute all those 52 cards among 4 friends? You see, there are 52 cards. That means every friend will get 13 cards. 52 divided by 4 equals to what? 13. So suppose a friend A, he has got, friend A, he has got 52 C 13 cards. He will get 13 cards. So he can get 13 cards out of 52 cards in 52 C 13 way. Suppose you have another friend and he is B, and he will get 52 minus 13, that is 39 cards are there. Okay, and he will get in this way. Okay, it is your friend A, friend B. Now you are left with 26 cards. 39 plus 26 cards. In this way. Suppose it is your friend C. Now you are left with 13 cards. Suppose it is your friend D. It is your answer. But for MCQ examination, even if you use the calculator, it may become very hard or tough for you. So let's see what happens here. This is 52, 13 factorial, 52 minus 13, that is 39 factorial. This is 39, 13 factorial, 39 minus 13, that is 26 factorial. This is 26, 13 factorial, 26 minus 13 equals to another 13 factorial. And this is 13 factorial, this is 13 factorial, 13 minus 13 equals to 0 factorial. Now what happens? As per the previous example, 39, 39 omitted, 26, 26 omitted, 13, 13 omitted. You see the same thing happens here. 52 by 13 whole to the power 4. As I told you, what is the formula? Here n equals to what? N equals to 52. Here n equals to 52. How many cards will they get? R. 13 cards. Number of friends always will be power. P for number of friends. I think you have got it. So this type of math is given in the examination normally, and without calculating you can write the answer. Without calculation, okay, without using calculator even, you can write down the answer. Even answer may be given in this format, not the result, not with the results. Answer can be given in this format, okay. Factorial L means what? 52. How many cards will they get? 13 cards, that is R. Out of 52 they will get 13 cards. NCR. NCR, you think NCR. How many friends? 4 friends, that is P. That will be power. Okay? Suppose this is a mobile number 01737. This is the mobile number, okay? And for any mobile service provider, they have the first 3 codes same. I mean same means for fixed. That means for Grameenphone it is 017. Now it is also 013. For Robi 018. For Banglalink 019, like this. So how many different numbers can be formed? How many ways are there to form different numbers? Starting with 017. Suppose in any mobile number there are 11 digits. These 3 have been fixed. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 digits. So it is 013, 017, 017, and we have 8 boxes, 8 positions, suppose. In this way, 8. Okay. So I can put the first position. The first position can be filled in how many ways? We know we have, in mathematics we have 10 digits. That is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. We have 10 digits, right? Very good. So the first one, Here any of 10 digits can be put. So how many ways are there? There are total 10 digits. 10 digits. 10 digits. So how many ways are there to use one of these 10 numbers, 10 digits? Perhaps you will tell, sir, 10 C1. No. Here 0 can be put, 1 can be put, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Any of them can be put in this position. So we have in total 10 options. Okay? 10 options. Very good. Now tell me for second position. Suppose this has been taken in the first position. Suppose this has been taken in the first position. For second position, how many ways? There are 9 ways? No, it's wrong. You see, number can be repeated. Digit can be repeated. Sorry, not number. Digit can be repeated. So we have also another 10 options for second position. Yes. We have also another 10 options for third position. We have also another 10 position for fourth option in this way. Is it? Now we see how many tens are there. There are 10 to the power 8. 10 to the power 8 means what? Okay? That is 10 crores. So any service holder, I mean any mobile service holder, I mean Grameenphone, Robil, Banglalink, whatever it is, starting with these 3 fixed digits, they can give connection more than 10 crores, not more than 10 crores. Okay? Suppose anyone tells that there are 12 crores of Grameenphone customers starting with 017, then it's wrong. They cannot give connection more than 10 crores starting with these 3 fixed digits. Though they have now 013, another 10 crores. Okay? Suppose a word, professor, how many words of 4 letters can be formed? Words of 4 letters. Words of 4 letters. Words of 4 letters. Please pay attention. The most important math. Words of 4 letters. You see, we have P, then F, P, F, E. Then we have double O. Okay, we have double R and we have double S. You understand? Yesterday, I also taught you the maths of degree and thesis. It is like that math, but important. Suppose okay, case, it is combination. Okay, this is the combination. All four are different. Number one, four different. I have taken four different. Have you seen? I have taken all four different. What is meant by this, that all four are different? What does it mean? That means, suppose I can form a word like this, P, F, E, O, like this, or P, F, E, R, like this, all are different, or P, F, E, S, all are different. Have you seen? All are different. I have taken four different letters. So four different letters, very good. How many different letters are there? I know you will answer. So there are three different letters. No. There are P, F, E, O, R, S. There are six different letters here. There are six different letters. So out of these six different letters, we have to take four different letters, and they can be taken in 6C4 ways. Have you seen? I have given you an example. Out of these six different letters, okay, the four letters can be taken in 6C4 ways. That's good. Now, two same and two different. What is meant by this? Two same, two different. What is meant by this? Two same means what? Suppose a word has been formed like this, P, F, O, O. Can this type of word be formed? P, F, O, O. That is, P and F are different, and O and this O are same. Okay? This type of word can be formed? Is it? Yes. Two same. Same, same, same. Okay? There are three pairs of words. There are three groups, 1, 2, 3 groups. So if we take just only one group out of these three groups, then it means that we have taken two same letters. I repeat, there are three groups of two letters having same. If I take one of the groups out of these three groups, what is meant by this? Suppose one group, first group, second group, third group. We have three groups. I am going to take just one group, and that can be taken in 3 C1 ways. Am I right? That can be taken in 3 C1 ways. Out of three groups, I will take one group. Taking one group means I have taken two same letters. Now you see, for two different letters, just for a while you think that you have taken this one. This one has been taken. Two same letters. So what is left? What are the different letters now are left? P, F, E, R, S. There are 5 different letters now. Out of these 5 different letters, we have to take 2 different letters. That means 5C2. You understand? If you don't understand, please let me know. I think you have got it as you have not written anything. Okay, nothing you have written. Now you see two same. What is meant by this? Now some words will be there, double O, double R. This type of words can be there, okay, or double R, double S. This type of words can be there. Is it? For this I have written two same. Again two same. What is meant by this? There are three groups. So if we take two groups, that means 3C2. We have to take four same letters. Out of them, two same. There are three groups, first, second, third group. So out of these three groups, we have taken two groups, and they can be taken in 3C2 ways. Suppose these and these have been taken. These and these have been taken. Okay. And if we calculate, then you calculate and get addition, and it will be your answer. Have you got me? By calculating, you will get your answer. Now, I have kept this column blank. In your book, it is told to find the permutation, okay, that you can form the words. Permutation, write down. Permutation. Okay, this is 6C4 into how many words? 4 words, that is factorial 4. It is 3C1 into 5C2 into factorial 4 by 2 same, that means factorial 2. 2 same means what? Factorial 2. Okay. 2 same. 3C2 into factorial 4 by 2 same. 2 times repetition. Now use the calculator to get the answer. You use the calculator. It will be 360, 18. That is 738. This is the answer. This math is given from your book. Okay? But in the book, you have been told to determine the number of permutations only. That answer is 738. But my dear students, this math also given for combination. Okay? Arrangement. Okay, this is the arrangement. And this is the formation. Form, arrange. Okay. Now the word is engineering. Now the word is engineering. So we see words of 4 letters. Okay. There are 1, 2, 3 E. 3 E. 1, 2, 3 N. there are 3 N. Okay? There are 2 I. You see, we have 6, 10, 11 letters. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 letters. Okay? Can you do this math? Can you? Like the previous one, you have to do this math. Like the previous math. That is number one, 4 different. All 4 are different. What is meant by this? All 4 are different means we have E, N, I, Z, R. We have actually 5 different letters in the word engineering. Out of these 5 different letters, I have to take 4 letters, and they can be taken in 5 C4 ways. 5 C4 ways. They can be taken in 5 C4 ways. Okay? 5 C4 ways. Permutation. I'm sorry. Combination. They can be taken in 5 C4 ways. Have you seen it? Now, we have taken 4 different letters. Now, if we take 2 same, suppose 2 same and 2 different, 2 same letters is to be taken. 2 same letters are to be taken. So same letters, where are they? These. There are 4 groups of 2 same letters. From this we can take 2E, we can take 2N, we can take 2I, we can take 2Z, any of this. So out of 4 groups, I have to take only 1 group, and they can be taken in 4 C1 ways. You try to understand. Is it okay? Out of 4 groups, 1 group, 2 groups, 3 groups, 4 groups, double E, double N, double I, double Z. Suppose I have taken this double E. Okay? So what we are left? We are left with, suppose this has been taken. Now it has been taken. Suppose 2 same has been taken. Now we are left with N, I, Z, R. Now we are left with these 4 different letters. Here it is written 2 different letters, and that can be taken in 4 C2 ways. 4 C2 ways. 2 different letters. They can be taken in 4 C2 ways. Now, like the previous one, we can write 2 same, 2 same. What is meant by this 2 same, 2 same? Some word will be formed like double E, double N, in this way. In this way, that there are 4 groups, 1, 2, 3, 4. And out of 4 groups, we can take this like 4 C2 ways, 4 C2 ways. Now, another option is left yet. 3 same, 1 different. What is meant by this? That 3 same, 1 different. 3 same means what? Suppose this type of triple E, this is I. These three are same and this I is different here. So how many three same letters are there? 1, 2. Have you seen? Group of three letters, group of same three letters, second group of same three letters. Out of these two group of same three letters, one group can be taken. That means we will get three same letters. And it can be taken in two C1 ways. This and this three group of three letters. Out of two groups, I have to take one group. Okay? Then what is left? You see, one different. Suppose this has been taken. So we are left with NIZR. 4C1. Out of these four different letters, I can take one letter in 4C1 ways. Like the previous math, I have also kept this part blank. Here it is permutation. Here it is permutation. Now you see, here it is permutation. Okay, now you see, that is 5C4, right? 5C4. 5C4 into 4 different. I am writing in 4 different. This is 4 different. Factorial 4. This is 4C1. 4C1 into 4C2 into. Okay, I was saying into. Definitely, how many letters are there? There are 4 letters. That means what? 4 factorial. But there are 2 same letters divided by 2 factorial. In this way, 4C2 into, this is 4C2 into 2 same, like the previous one. 2 same and 2 same. In the math of professor, it was the same pattern and same get-up. Here it is only different. This is, that means 3 same, 1 different. Not a matter. 2C1 into 4C1 into 3 same. What is meant by this? 4 factorial by 3 factorial. Now you calculate it all and get addition, you will get the answer. You calculate all and have addition and then you will get answer. Okay? Suppose you have 10 digits. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, we have 10 digits. Okay. How many numbers of 4 digits? We have to form number of 4 digits. Number of 4 digits. We have to arrange. We have to arrange the number of 4 digits. Very good. Using one time or more time. Using one or more than one time. More than one time. What is meant by this? Can you do it? Number of 4 digits. Okay? Number of 4 digits. What is meant by this? Suppose this is okay, number of 4 digits. That means 0 cannot be here. If 0 is here, what is meant by this? If this is the formula NPR. If 0 is here, then we will get not the number of 4 digits. So 0 cannot be put here. 0 cannot be put here. Then how many options we have? If 0 is not, then how many? We have 9 options. We have 9 options. That is here, except 0, we have 9 digits. And can be arranged in 9 P1 ways. You have to understand. Zero cannot be put in the first position. Okay? 0 cannot be put in the first position. So we have 9 digits to put in the first position. And they can be put in 9 P1 ways, right? Now, we have another 3. But for this and this, how many options we are left? Can you tell me? If 0 is not here, suppose this one has been put here, then we have another 9 options. Suppose this one has been put here. So we have another 9 options, and they can be put 9 P3 ways. We have 9 options here and 3 boxes. So our answer is 9 P1 into 9 P3. Why they have been multiplied? One day I told you that it is 2 incomplete events. Okay? Is it? If you put only here, your math is not done. It is totally incomplete, 2 incomplete events. But it has been used one time. It has been used one time. One time. But if it is told more than one time, more than one time, then what would be the answer? Sorry. More than one time. That means more than one time. Here formula is n to the power r. Please try to understand. N to the power r. When one digit or one letter, that is one digit, will be used more than one time, then the formula is n to the power r. I told you. Can you remember? Take n to the power may go. Okay. N to the power r. That's good. Here 0 cannot be put. Can 0 here be put? No, 0 cannot be put. For the first position, 0 cannot be put. To form the words of, to form the numbers of 4 digits. Here 0 will not be taken. If 0 is not taken, so okay, very good. We omit 0. Then we have 9 digits. That is, there are 9 options to put here. That means 1 can be put, 2 can be put, anything. Out of these 9, we will put 1. For second option, for second position, how many options do we have? Tell me. Write me. Who can tell me? You see, 0 cannot be put in the first position, but 0 also can be put in the second position, third position, or fourth position. So, there are 10 options here. 10, 10, and 10. As more than one time. Please see, it is one time and as more than one time. Okay? That means we have 9 into 10 to the power 3. So this is using only by one time, for one time, and it is more than one time. When it is more than one time, the format is of n to the power r. For one time, it is npr. Okay, thank you very much, my dear students, that you were with me. Best of luck. Assalamu alaikum.